everyone. Okay, so I think it's safe to say that I've worked out how to manipulate color values appropriately in Blender. So you can see here I can assign by Python script the full spectrum of colors to each of the cubes that are constituents of the boundary of this gigantic cube. I wasn't able to work out exactly how to do what I wanted, in that I want to change the color value of a cube in animation. I was able to work out how to manipulate the physics engine, well, simulate physics inside of Blender, but in animation I can't seem to yet change the color of a moving object by Python script. I can change the color of the object directly using Blender, like manually change it, but that's obviously not what I want. So I'll have to look into that more for the next update. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much.